Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wando Alicia Balkis binti Wan Muhammad Zaki. My matric number is E21A0696. Today, me and my group members, which is group 11, will be present to you some simulation on the concept of bioaccumulation and biomagnification through the food chain. First of all, do you know the meaning of bioaccumulation and biomagnification? Bioaccumulation is the process which is toxic into the food web by building up in the individual organism, while biomagnification is the process by which toxic are passes from one trophic level to the next trophic level, and that increase the in concentration.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Nur Alia Naziha binti Azmi. Today I would like to explain about bioaccumulation. What is the bioaccumulation? The definition of bioaccumulation is defined as the net accumulation of a contaminant in an organism from all sources, including water, diet and air. The accumulation of substances transferred from environment into organism. Next, bioaccumulation sources. Amount of the chemical coming into the living organism faster than the organism can break it down and use it. This means that more is going in than is coming out, therefore causing the chemical to accumulate into the organism. The chemical continue to accumulate until it eventually becomes deadly to the living organism.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to our lecturer and my friends. My name is Faiz Ahmad bin Azhari, no matric E21A0475. I will continue to our simulation of bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Let's start.
Mercury, plankton, small fish, big fish, and human. This is a simulation of biomagnification and bioaccumulation. Eating little plankton living at a river or sea will be exposed to the chemical or mercury that come from the toxic and bacteria and other. After that, it will be eaten by small fish or carnivore that are around the river, and the chemical moves into the small fish and spread throughout the body of small fish in turn. The small fish become the prey for large fish, or called the secondary carnivore, which is the river of sea. After big fish eat the small fish, the chemical from the small fish will spread into the big fish. Human or quaternary consumer will get a fish, large or small fish, that containing the residue of the toxic. This matter will have a very strong effect, resulting in the death.
That's all for me. Thank you.
Based on our research about this simulation, the result will analyze organism in trophic level and the number of concentration of DDT ppm. In trophic level, zooplankton is a primary producer that absorb pollutant from polluted water sources such as lakes, seas, and rivers. The number of concentration of DDT ppm in zooplankton is 1 ppm. The amount of concentration is carried to small fish as a primary consumers when the small fish feed on zooplankton. So, the number of concentration of DDT is increased to 5 ppm in the body of this fish. Next, large fish as a secondary consumers will eat small fish and cause the concentration to increase further in the body of large fish is 10 ppm. High concentration of DDT in fish cause that fish to be ruined and low of quality. The higher number of concentration of DDT is 50 ppm will be seen in the top is 30 consumers, which is human. This is because the consumers at the successive trophic level consume more than the previous level to fulfill the energy requirement. Due to this, DDT keeps on accumulating in the successive trophic level in higher concentration.
So what can I conclude from this activity? Toxic chemical can move through the food chain from one trophic level to the next, and this can lead to bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Bioaccumulation is increase in concentration of pollutant in organism, and biomagnification is increase in concentration of pollutant in a food chain. So in many cases, toxin can be transported through the food bag to the human, often through contaminated fish. In addition, consumption of plant or aquatic animal that have toxic substance may lead to long-term effects such as different types of cancer, kidney failure, brain damage, and heart disease. So, in summary, the higher the trophic level of an organism, the higher the concentration of